The question is the current IB, that base current through the base of a silicon NPN transistor. They are given the value of silicon transistor, so we have to get the what are the terms or facts we know of silicon transistor. So the NPN, the given current is, that is IB, is 1 plus 0.1 cos into 10,000 pi t milliamps. At 300 Kelvin, the R pi in the small signal model of transistor is, the small signal model of a NPN transistor will be look like this. The thing is that they given the IP value, we have to find the R pi value by having the current here. So because we already find and eliminated lot of unwanted and redundant terms in the small signal methods, we have to go for the exact result of that. So result of that is GM, that is here GM is we can say as transconductance, is equal to IC divided by VT. VT is 25 millivolt at 300 Kelvin. It's already from the research and by having more experiment on NPN transistor of which is made by silicon, which is give the voltage, that is threshold voltage at 300 Kelvin, which is equal to 25 millivolt. From that we can say that beta value already we found in small signal model. So we'll get beta value GM R pi value get B by beta by GM, beta equal to VT divided by IC. So we will get VT by IC. Beta IC can be written as IB. So DC value of IB equal to 1 milliamps, because this is a DC value of the in the given problem itself they denoted as 1 plus 0.1. This is the value of DC voltage. This is the value, this 0.1 into cos of some terms will be the fluctuation around the current value, that is we say as AC voltage, AC current. So DC value of IB is 1 milliamps, that is given here. So then R pi equal to 25, because VT in the 300 volt which is found by the research will get 25 into milli, that is 10 power minus 3 divided by 1 milliamps will be written as 1 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 will get cancelled, so we'll get 25 ohm. That is R pi they asked in the problem. So in this question we have to know this small signal model, then only we have the idea to go about the values of GM and beta values, and from that we can easily find the R pi value. Thank you. Your comments are welcome.